Afternoon, tubers. Nancy and I went to Sam's Club this morning, and she's off to Wally World, and I'm going to show you guys. I assembled all the shocks, coilovers I should say, and pre-adjusted them roughly. There's the passenger side and there's the passenger side front. I just finished that one. So I figured on the last one I'd show you how you do it, or how Heights explained it to me, and then how I read about how to do it and everything else. So this is the way I do it, and so let me shut this off and get you guys in a tripod, and I'll bring you guys back later. Alright guys, here's the shock. Hold on, let me adjust this a little bit. Hang on. Okay, and I've already cleaned it. So what we're going to do first, we're going to do little anti-seize. This stuff smells great. Actually, when I used it, I was underneath the car. I forgot what I was doing, and I used some of it, and all of a sudden you get the first odor of it, and it smells like natural gas. And I'm sitting there going, and they're doing construction across the street. So then I had to remember, oh, it's the anti-seize. Okay, all right. Getting these wiped down. I know, I should have cleaned all the parts before I started the video. I'm sorry. And including opening the box of the other spray. There's printing on it. I don't know if you guys can make that out. But yeah. So that's ready. So now what we have to do is remove the adjuster. And it just goes back in exactly the way it did. You don't turn it or do anything. So I just take it and set it right there. And there is a gasket there. Put the spring cap on. Take the spring. Oops, upside down. I'm going going to have to, let's see, hang on. Doing some adjusting here, guys. Okay, we're going to the vise. Got to bring it up enough to so we can thread the other. Even though these are heavier springs, they really don't feel like it, not compared to the other ones. Don't forget my live show this afternoon at 2:30, almost in 2 hours. It's a little after 12 here. Okay, we're up. So we'll thread this on. Yeah, let me turn you guys back around. Gasket. Adjuster. Sounds like the garbage men are here. Okay, adjuster back on. So now we have a snap ring, a washer, and I already got this side's already, I never took this side apart, and it has to slide in here like that. So what we're going to do is some grease, and if Hazy or Dizzy was here, I'd say this is a job for both of them, lubing up the hole. All right. And then push. That is a bit. Hang on, guys. Man, that took something. Whew. But it's on. So now we got in there the washer and the snap ring. Washer. It's a real tight fit. Oh, they're from my house. Oh, come on. Okay, not so you'd keep you guys, and hang on. I persuaded it down. No, actually I just tapped it. So, yeah. So, now for the snap ring. All right, and there you have it. So, I'll go ahead and load this up, and don't forget my live show this afternoon, and I want to thank everybody for watching, subscribing, and of course, leaving comments. Thanks, guys. Later.